Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this popcorn factory that we got on Amazon. We got this very recently, I would say a week ago, and we love it. So yeah, this is our new addition in our village. We're still finishing it. There's still a lot to do, but I love this little building. I'm gonna show you by the end of this video how this popcorn factory looks like when you turn it on, but let me show you a close-up so you can see the details for the price that you're paying. I really like it. We've had buildings from many different brands, so we can see the ones that are good quality or not. But this one, I think that looks really good. It's not super expensive and it does what it's supposed to do. The details are also pretty good. It's not perfect. As you can see right here, the painting job is not perfect, but it looks really good. This is how the popcorn factory looks like when you turn it on. I think this is super cute and creative. I never thought about getting a popcorn factory, but when I saw this on Amazon, I just loved it. I think this is such a great addition. I like the colors. As you can see, it has red, yellow, and blue. It just makes it very colorful. I don't know. It looks really good. You also have the option for music. So it has, you can play the music and lights on or just the lights as you're seeing right now. The one that is playing music is this one. Let me give you a close-up here now that the lights are on so you can see the quality of everything. Really good. I love this, and if you have a village, I think you should get this. Highly recommend it.